Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Android mobile setting, and in this video friends, I am going to show you guys how to turn off notification vibration setting in Android mobile. Friends, you want to turn on notification vibration setting in Android mobile. So friends, now let's see how to turn on notification vibration setting one by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Android mobile, how to turn off notification vibration setting. Open your phone setting. After turn phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Android mobile. Friends, in your Android mobile, scroll down here, and friends, if you turn on your phone sound setting, so friends, you cannot use notification vibration setting in your Android mobile. Phone ringtone you can use, do not disturb setting you can use, vibrate for call setting you can use. So friends, you can see notification vibration setting is not here. Touch vibration setting is here. You can use your touch vibration setting in Android mobile. So friends, how to turn off notification vibration in Android mobile? Scroll down here, open your phone accessibility setting. After turning your phone accessibility setting, select to speak setting, talkback setting. You can use dark theme, you can enable magnification shortcut setting you want to use. So friends, you can use your magnification shortcut setting. Accessibility menu setting is here. Accessibility menu setting you can use in your Android device. Friends, you can see switch access setting, you can use timing control setting. Friends, if you click here, so friends, you can see time to take action setting, you can use it. System control setting, you can on power button to end call, auto refresh setting, and navigation setting you can use. Vibration and haptic setting, click here. Ring vibration setting is off, so you can on your ring vibration setting. Ring vibration setting is on, you want to off your ring vibration, so you can on and you can off your ring vibration setting. So friends, I want to turn off notification vibration setting. Friends, you can see notification vibration setting is on in my Android mobile, and you don't want to use, you want to off. So friends, click here turn off option, and friends, your notification vibration setting is off, and you can use your Android mobile without notification vibration setting. Touch feedback vibration setting you want to on, so you can on and you can off from here in your Android mobile. So like that friends, you can turn off notification vibration in Android mobile, and you want to on, so friends, again tap here, you can on a notification vibration and you can use. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.